In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import n8n workflows. If you've downloaded a workflow or someone shared one with you, n8n makes it simple to bring it into your workspace. There are two main ways to do it, importing from a URL or importing from a file. I'll walk you through both along with a few tips to make sure everything lands in the editor the way you expect. First, open n8n in your browser. Sign into your workspace and head to the workflow editor. You can get there from the workflow list by creating a new workflow or opening an empty one. The key is to be inside the editor where you see the canvas. Once you're in the editor, you're in the right place to import. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu that opens additional actions for the current workflow. Click that menu to expand the options. Among the actions, you'll find import from URL and import from file. Choose the one that matches what you have. If you have a link to a workflow, select import from URL, paste the URL to the workflow's JSON definition into the field provided, then confirm the import. A quick tip here, the URL needs to point directly to a JSON file that n8n can fetch. If your workflow lives in a code repository, make sure you're using the raw file link. Also, if the file is behind a login or access restriction, n8n won't be able to retrieve it, so use a publicly accessible link or a location your instance can reach. If you've saved the workflow on your computer, select import from file instead, click the button and choose the JSON file or drag and drop it into the upload area if that's available. n8n will read the file and place the nodes and connections onto your canvas. This keeps the structure intact so you can immediately see the flow as it was designed. After the import completes, whether from URL or file, take a moment to review what appears on the canvas. You may see warnings on nodes that reference credentials that don't exist in your workspace. That's normal. The workflow definition comes in, but you'll connect your own credentials as needed. It's also a good idea to glance at node names and settings to ensure everything matches your expectations. That's it. You opened n8n, went to the editor, used the three-dot menu, and imported from either a URL or a file. With your workflow now in place, you're ready to make any adjustments you need and continue building. Thanks for watching and happy automating with n8n.